everybody, it's me. I'm getting ready to do Nameless's nails, and so I just want to get us ready. I have all of the paints lined up. They are all acrylic craft paints like folk art and stuff like this. Any of them work, and you have to just find and learn to use your favorites. Okay, so I'm going to do a, I guess it would be a Pink Floyd inspired design, but it's on a French manicure, and I'm using black polish. And if you have to use paint, that's fine. Okay, so now I have a medium gray color, and I am just mixing it to kind of just give me a starting point. Now with my wand, here we go, I'm gonna touch the tip of the where they touch of the manicure, and then roll the finger around like that, and that'll give you a straight line. You want it a little bit thick. Now on this one, because it is a triangle, first I'm going to take the black and finish the triangle so it's perfectly straight. So it's going to go about here and there. Yeah, that's pretty good. That. Okay, and then with that gray again, make sure, I hope I didn't get my hair in there. Okay, so with there, I have a few hairs out of place on my brush. Sorry if it shows. Like that. Up, and then again, like that. Okay, when that dries, you fix it to be perfect. And I kind of made it extra goofy looking so you guys can see how I fix it. So there it is, it's just kind of lumpy. Now with black, I can go in and touch down and fix all of them. And just keep on working back and forth until you have it perfect. It's not, if you're not in a hurry, don't hurry it. And then if you are in a hurry, don't worry about it being perfect. So then I'm going to go to this next one while it's drying and make another gray. Oop, I ran out of paint. Make another gray. Okay. Make enough gray, you guys. This one. Okay. Let me do these real quick. Okay, so, when it's done, it's going to look like this, okay? Now, I'm going to take the white gray, just a very, very thin wash of gray, and make the smoke coming like this. Let's see. It's going to be like this, and then it's going to just be across the whole nails, here and there, on the top of the French manicure. Let's see. And then this one is going to be more gray with white. Maybe I won't. That won't translate. So here, I might make a moon coming out right here. I'm going to start with just a gray whisk of color. Because it's on a French manicure, you can do whatever you want. And then on this one, okay, here we go. The next layer, I'm going to put white. This is pure white. And I'm going to try to get it in the center of these, like that. Just rolling the finger, going back in here, and then making little magic, like this, through the white line like this. That way it looks like it's almost like a beam. The gray isn't supposed to be there. It's just supposed to look like it's illuminated. Like that. I'm going to go across the whole thing like that, and I'll meet you back. Never get. Okay, so here we go. There we go. I got a little tiny bit of pink. Add some white so it's really, really, really thin. Push it on my thumbnail, get it nice and juicy, and push it into the cloud. Now go a little bit with the yellow. Every place that the two touch, it'll turn orange, and keep it yellow. Lastly, I get a little blue. Everywhere the blue touches the yellow, it'll turn green, and then you'll have a rainbow. Then it's just about building, building, building until the rainbow shows. So sometimes if you have a real big nail and you have lots of white in there, it's way easy to just swirl these on real quick and it's done. These are real tiny nails, so you kind of have to work the rainbow in there, but it's actually like kind of like fun, huh, Nameless? Like you just kind of chill while I'm just sitting here painting, and I'm just adding pink and blue and yellow, pink, blue, yellow, and then if it goes on the white, redo the white, pink, blue, yellow, pink, blue, yellow, and then it just kind of makes itself. I'm gonna do it quietly. Just watch. Pink, and then yellow, 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 yellow. Dots, little dots. Dots with water dots, dot, 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 dot. And you want them to mix a little bit because you need that orange in there. And I'm just doing little zigzags and swirls. Then put the blue, add some water. Okay, then some yellow, add some water because I need some green. That. Now you'll see that it doesn't look really bright, so I'm going to add yellow and white to make a light yellow. That's going to help me pop the other colors. So the lemon yellow is going to go into the center, and I'm just going to redo it, make it a little bit in the middle, just brighten it, and don't be afraid, just push it in there, and then dot, 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 dot. Then pink, add some water, and add some more water, and just kind of mix. When it dries, it will get outlines around it and almost feather itself. So if you're in doubt, add more water. And the worst thing that can happen is that you take alcohol and clean it off and start over. And if you want to just practice this on a paper plate, that would be awesome. Just keep on practicing because it sucks in the extra water and it teaches you how to kind of move it like a cloud. Now that I have my little rainbows in a little bit, it's dry. I'm going to add a little bit of yellow without a lot of water and just kind of clean up in between the two so that you can kind of see the rainbow better. Okay, lastly, I'm going to take little pieces of white and make magic on it. So that's what we call them. That's what Nameless loves. So
I like it.
Little magics. Can I just call you Michelle now? I did that on purpose to see what she do. Oh my gosh, it's so funny.
And cat's out the bag.
Ah! I can still edit.
I don't care.
But it would be funny just to get that on film. I'm still gonna call you Nameless. That's the first thing that comes to my mind now. Nameless. That with Chaz No Name.
That's me.
Yup. With her pretty babies.
Yeah, I do have that.
Oh my gosh, our babies are so freaking cute. Let's get them a deal. Let's get them some kind of, oh wow, that was cool. Some kind of like, let's get that one into acting.
Perfect little models too.
Yep. So cute. Okay.
Yeah.
Magic, magic, magic. Put the magic on it. Okay, so there's that. Okay, when I'm done,
Boom.
boom. Okay, so I spent more time just adding pink, yellow, and blue here. I added a tiny bit of purple right there, and I'm just and now I'm gonna go through and see this. Just go through And then I'm gonna put a little bit of yellow here because it's all dry now real good, and I can just keep layering. That's how you make like a real easy rainbow smoke effect, just for free, you know? And it never gets boring. Like every time you do it, it turns out different and fun. So there's that. And I put like little splatters of the pink like that coming down. Now I might add a little bit of clear glitter over the top of some of this and then top coat. And I might do a matte top coat and then put the inside of this triangle as a gel, just a little like there. And I'll meet you back. Okay, so there. I'm gonna go in, drop it, wipe, and then just kind of paint it up to the top. Take it to the to the end. And I already have a matte top coat on it, but this is a thicker gel. I think this is artistic. Artistic correction. But I just sit and watch it and make sure that I get all the sides really clean. Okay, I'm gonna set that in the light and I'll meet you back. Okay, now while Michelle shows her nails, then I will talk. Do they need light?
Not so much. There you go.
Okay, so I hope you can see down into them and that they are so layered and yet so fun at the same time, matte and shiny. I added a little bit of glitter at the end and I'll show it to you after I'm done talking, but I hope you guys get brushes. It is what supports my channel while we paint together, and it also makes it way easier. If you read all the comments, you'll know, like when we all have the same brush, it just is easier and faster to learn, and everything I use is so inexpensive. So anyways, I used dazzledry top coat in Mattie, and then I used a little bit of gel, but you can also use the top coat of dazzledry or your favorites, whatever you can afford or what's near you. Just practice and don't feel bad if you can't get it right away. It takes a long time, but once you get it, nobody can ever take it from you. It's yours forever. So anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you back with more. Bye.
Bye.